Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll learn about groove, boss and pocket in NX Unigraphics. Ideally you can draw it from this extrude command, but we'll do it from this fashion, that is insert design feature, groove, boss and pocket. So let's start. Now we are in sketcher environment. We'll go to the insert design feature. We'll make a block with length of 100, width 100, height 100. Okay, apply. Now block has been created. Now we need to make in a circle, that is in this sketch. Use this sketch, this plate, press OK, draw in a circle. Mention the diameter for the circle, that is 40. Okay, finish the sketch. Use this extrude command with height of 80, that's fine. Apply OK. Now first we'll use this command, that is groove command. Go to insert design feature, click on groove. There are three: rectangle, ball and U groove. First we'll discuss about rectangle. Click on rectangle. In which section or in which plane you need this groove. So I will select this face, diameter 35, width 5. Okay. Now you need to put in a dimension for this, in which area you need this groove. So I will select this circle, this section, from this section to this section. It's automatically calculated. It's showing as 53. I will put it 50. Instead I will put it 10. 50 I will put it 10. Press OK. So now the groove has been created. Now if you see very closely, it is showing as in a rectangle. It is clearly can see it as in a rectangle shape. So that is why it is called as in a rectangular groove. Now we'll go for a ball and groove. Select the face in which you need in a groove. Diameter 35, ball diameter 5. Press OK. Dimension, so this section to this section, showing 4. I will put it 6. Press OK. Now the groove has been created. Now if you see, you can see an half ball shape. So that is why it is called as ball and groove. So you need to put dimension, you can create this groove. Now the last, that is U groove. Select the face, mention the groove diameter 35. I'll put it 38. Width 5. Corner radius 1. In this U groove you need to mention the corner radius also. Press OK. Dimension, from this to till this, it is 4. I will put it, I need it on 10 mm upward direction. Press OK. Now U groove has been created. Now if you see the shape, it is almost similar to U shape. That is why it is called as a U groove. This side it is the radius, which is symmetric it is. So this way you can create in a groove by using this design feature. Now I'll go to the second command, insert design feature boss. It's very simple it is. Click on which face you need it. I press this face. There is a filter option, any face data plane. So you can use the data plane to create the boss, or you can use the face, in which face you need it, or any both. Diameter 25, the circle diameter, how much you need it. I'll put it 25. Instead of 25, I'll put it 27. Height 30, I'll put it 40. Height means this height from here to here. Taper angle, either you can put it 2 or I'll put it 0 in this case. Apply. Now you have to put the dimension. First we'll go to the horizontal dimension. Select the reference. Sorry. In this way it has been automatically calculated. I'll put it 60. Apply vertical. This face. If you want to change it, you can go to boss, right click on this, edit positioning, edit dimension value, click on this. Now I'll put it 30. Press OK. So this way you can create boss, and if you want to change anything, click on right click. If you want to change the feature for this, edit parameter, feature dialog, and you can change it to 27. So if I need to change to 30, press OK. It has been done. So in this way the boss has been created. Now we'll use the third command, that is pocket. Go to insert, design feature, pocket. I will not go for cylindrical, and general it is same, so I'll go for a rectangle. So click on rectangle, use this plane, select the reference. So when it is showing as an arrow, this means the length of that pocket, it has been in this side. So I'll put it 20, width 30, depth 10, press OK. Now we'll have to put the dimension, horizontal dimension. Click on this plane, click on horizontal dimension, click on this plane, click on this plane, put 30. OK. Vertical, this plane, 70, press OK. Now pocket has been created on this plane. So this way you can make it for cylindrical also, cylindrical and general, the same fashion you can use it. So this way we have used three features, that is groove, boss and pocket. If you have any doubt, anything, you can message me, I will reply on that. I hope you have clear all these doubts, all these three design features. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye.